Hello, thank you for the opportunity given to me. First of all, let me introduce myself. I'm Amabel Noladi Asmara from Department of Forest Management, Faculty of Agriculture, 11 Maret University. In this opportunity, I would like to present the non-wood forest product potency from community forest in Kempulan Village, Karanganyar Regency, Central Java. Non-wood forest product, or NWFPS, according to the regulation of the Minister of Forestry number P35/Manhood 2/2007 concerning non-wood forest product are defined as biological forest product, both vegetable and animal, along with derivative and cultivated product except wood derivative from forest. Currently, there are 9 groups of NWFPS that are available in Indonesia, consisting of 557 species of plant and animals. According to Suhesti and Hadinoto 2015, the role of non-wood forest product is very diverse, so they are widely used by the community, especially communities around the forest. NWFPS not only play a role in ecological aspect but also in economic and sociocultural aspect. From an ecological aspect, NWFPS is part of the forest ecosystem and has certain functions and roles that support the sustainability of the ecosystem. Then from the economic aspect, NWFPS can be a source of income for the community and the government. In general, there are 3 steps of utilization of non-wood forest product, namely the utilization of consumptive, productive, and medicine. The use of NWFPS are to meet basic needs and increase people's income. The present study aims to obtain basic information of the NWFPS species that cultivate in Kempulan Village. Therefore, the species density, relative density, frequency, relative frequency, and important value index was calculated. In addition, the utilization of NWFPS species was described based on the interview. Therefore, the data on potency of NWFPS could support the Kempulan Village government to maintain and maximize NWFPS without ignoring nature sustainability. Our research located in Kempulan Village, Korjo District, Karanganyar Regency. The management of community forest is spread across 5 hamlets, namely Kempulan, Karanggandu, Kesongo, Semang, and Sidomulyo hamlet with agroforestry planting patterns in the form of alternate row and random mixture. The primary data was collected by field observation by making plot in Z 40 x 25 meter square or 0.1 hectare and intensive interview. In the plot, the inventory of non-wood forest product was carried out. The number of plots was determined by 20% of the total community that own community forest. Thus, in total, there were 38 plots. In addition, the secondary data were obtained from literature studies. The data obtained from the plot were analyzed to compare NWFPS distribution and its potency for each hamlet in Kempulan Village by using the following formula by Destaranti et al. 2017, Purnomo et al. 2018, Syahuddin et al. 2020. The formula is shown in the image below. Furthermore, the utilization of NWFPS by the community in Kempulan Village was analyzed by using descriptive method. The characteristics of the respondent described in this study are gender, age, education level, number of family members, land area, and the distance between the forest and the location of residence. The respondents selected were 38 people from Kempulan Village, Korjo District, Karanganyar Regency, consisting of 10 people from Sidomulyo hamlet, 10 people from Semang hamlet, 10 people from Kempulan hamlet, 5 people from Kesongo Hamlet and 3 people from Karangkandu Hamlet. Respondents were interviewed to find out information about non-wood forest products used by the Kempolan village community from their community forest. The following is the data on the characteristic of the respondent in Kempolan village. This table shows the local name, scientific name, habitus of each species that produce NWFPS in Kempolan village. The plant species that produce NWFPS consist of 36 species. However, 14 of them were not classified as NWFPS that mentioned in Ministry of Forestry Regulation, namely orange, pomelo orange, lemon, guava, snake fruit, betel leaf, rose apple, ginger, turmeric, wet turmeric, galangal, clove, elephant grass, and berry grass. Based on their habitus, the plant species that produce NWFPS was classified as tree, 29 species, herb, 14 species, and palm species. The discovery of various habitus in Kempolan village is due to Kempolan village being at an altitude of 480 meters above sea level. Sujono Research 2013 stated that species diversity in the year at an altitude between 300 until 400 meters above sea level and more than 400 meters above sea level has a moderate level of abundance and species evenness at a high level. This table also shows the density, relative density, frequency, relative frequency, and important value index of each species that produce NWFPS in Kempolan village. Ginger was dominant NWFP species with IFI 55.93%. The high IVA indicates that the species has more control over the area, especially in utilizing resources of the ability to adapt to the surrounding environment. The second highest IVA was durian with IVA 14.48%. And then the IVA number of galangal is 13.90%. And then the other NWFP has IVA less than 13%. The low IVA means that the species is less adaptable both in terms of utilizing nutrients and adapting to the climate such as light, temperature, rainfall, and wind. Economic value is the main factor in selecting plants in community forests. This causes only a few plants with low economic value to be found in the Kempolan village community forest, so that the IVA value of this plant is low. Okay, next, utilization of non-wood forest product. This table shows that NWFPS were classified based on the plant use, namely fruit, leaf, rhizome, flower, tuber, and stem. NWFPS was dominated by fruit tree species. There are 23 types of NWFPS that are used for their fruit. People of Kempolan village will consume most of this fruit for their own family consumption. However, several foods have high economic value, so deliberately planted by the community in large quantities for sold. Furthermore, there are 4 types of NWW that are used for their rhizome, such as ginger, turmeric, wet turmeric, and galangal. In addition, there are 4 types of NWFBS that utilize their tubers such as taro, porang, iles-iles, and suwak. And then 3 types of NWFBS that utilize their stem and leaf include lemongrass, elephant grass, and paragrass. 2 types of NWFBS use their leaves such as pandan and beetle leaf, and 1 species of NWFBS utilize the flower such as clove. There were 4 kinds of NWFBS category of non-wood forest products that are used by the people of Kempolan village, namely as food, animal feed, medicine, and spice or condiment. Based on the utilization group, these figures show that the community used NWFBS the most for food, followed by spice, animal feed, and medicine. This shows that NWFBS from the Kempolan village community forest have an important value in supporting the fulfillment of the daily needs of the community. Conclusion: there are 36 types of non-wood forest products in the Kempolan village community forest. The highest IVA was shown by Singuberries officinalia or ginger with IVA 55.93%, indicating that it dominates the composition of non-wood forest product producing plant. In addition, Turiozibentinus or durian and a galangal were in the next order, showing IVA of 14.48% and 13.90%, while the other species saw less than 13%. The use of consumptive NWFBS in Kempolan village is dominated by forest product types in the form of fruit. There are 4 categories of non-wood forest products that are used by the people of Kempolan village, namely as food, animal feed, medicine, and spice or condiments. People of Kempolan village best consume most of NWFBS for their own family consumption. However, several NWFBS have high economic value, so they were deliberately planted by the community in large quantities for sale. Okay, thank you.